Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can rename this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on About Phone section. Click on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, you can discard your changes by tapping on top left corner or save them by choosing top right one. So when I click, as you can see, name of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!